Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app lets eligible Disneyland Resort hotel guests complete online check-in before arrival. By checking in online, you can skip the front desk, receive your room assignments when it's ready, and use the app's digital room key to unlock your room. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to complete hotel online check-in in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for faster and more convenient hotel arrival. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app. Starts by launching the app, sign into your Disney account, then link your hotel reservation. If you haven't already, open hotel reservations in the app, enter your confirmation number, enter the last name on the reservation and your arrival date, and save the reservation to your account. So your hotel reservation is now linked to your Disney account. Then complete online check-in within 5 days of arrival. Open your hotel reservation, tap online check-in, and review your reservation details. Provide any requested information such as your estimated arrival time and payment details if prompted. Submit your online check-in. Your check-in request will be completed before you arrive. Wait for your room assignments on your arrival day. Keep your Disneyland app installed and sign in. Enable notifications or text alerts if available, and you will receive a notification when your room is ready. Access your digital room key. Once your room is assigned, open your room or your hotel reservation in the app, view your room number, and tap unlock door when you are at your room. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.